Hello guys, we're back on another YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a new build on my Ford. Like, y'all be like, what are you doing to your beautiful tough truck build? So I actually got an idea. We're not gonna make it like this. Make it like something cooler. Let's get straight into it. So let's reset this. Dark sourced. So for the rims, these they're tough. The rims are tough when I make them like this. So like that. Alrighty. Honestly, this is looking tough. No, so I'll make it like this color. The rims just yeah, we need to do the frame red. Red's my favorite color. Well, gonna make it red. Like this. Keep the long bit on it here. Looks like more heavy duty. And then cap lights. This not a light bar. But probably. Should we lucky do a flatbed? No, flatbeds are not tough. Well, they are tough sometimes. I make builds. Already. So when you put like this, we can do like this. Can we put it? No, we cannot do that. So he's with the regular in. So yeah. What is that build, brother? That looks ugly. Not the truck. What is that? Yeah, the truck's ugly. Not ugly than mine. My truck is way tougher. Boy, don't become rolling up in here. Alrighty. My truck's tougher than that ugly squatted truck. Yeah, this is gonna be our build today. Brother, what are you doing? Alrighty. Bye.